Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this LG F7200 with Cingular. Here is the left side of the box. Contains a lithium battery. Here's the bottom, or not the bottom, but technically be the side of the box. Here's the right side. Here's the top. You get a whole bunch of features. I'll go and just go slowly. You can pause it and take a look at them all if you'd like. Here's the bottom. And then the top. This phone does have a really bad battery, so it does not hold a charge at all. Or very long, I should say. Here's your user guide. Looks like it's in English and Spanish. Yep. Here's your proprietary LG travel adapter, so your charger. As you can see, got your device here and your battery. We will need a SIM card if it has any juice left in it or not. Like I said, this battery really does not hold a charge, so I'm expecting it not to. I plan on buying a battery so we can film videos with this one, because this one's a pretty cool phone. Alrighty. As you can see, the battery is just terrible on this phone, but we'll do what we can do. Is there a lock button somewhere I'm missing? Doesn't look like it. On the left side, it looks like you have your lanyard strap, push to talk key, volume rocker. Got a little grip to slide it up to hold it. Charging port on the bottom, proprietary LG. On the right side, it looks like you have a 2.5mm headphone jack, as well as your speaker key. Nothing on the top. On the rear, you have your LG logo and your battery. On the front, have your earpiece, front color display. Slide it up. You have your full typical number keypad for your phone. It lights up in blue. It is a plastic keypad. And you also have your soft keys, which is a kind of a cool chrome and typical black with the blue backlighting to match the rest of the phone. It is a really thick phone. It's really cool though. Sliding on the back, as if you wouldn't know that. Alright, you just have this little rubber grip right here to slide down and up as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.